In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your nationwide online banking account. Whether you're managing your finances or simply checking your balance, it's important to know how to access your account quickly and securely. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open up your preferred web browser on your device and head over to Nationwide's official website. Type in nationwide.co.uk in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to their homepage where you can find all the information and services they offer online. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Next, look for the login option. This is usually positioned prominently on the home page. Clicking this will direct you to a page with more specific login options. You'll notice there are different services offered, but since we're focused on online banking, you'll want to select Log in to the Internet Bank. Clicking on this option will guide you to the login page. Now you'll need to input some personal details to access your account. Enter your customer number and date of birth in the provided fields. Your customer number is a unique identifier assigned to you when you created your account. It's important to keep this number private and secure. If you've misplaced it, Nationwide provides options to recover it through this page, so don't worry too much if it's not immediately at hand. Once you've successfully entered your information, Nationwide implements an extra layer of security, which is essential to protect your banking information. You'll be prompted to go through a security check. Generally, this involves entering your pass number and a one-time verification code. This code is typically sent to your registered mobile number via text message. Make sure your phone is handy and double-check that you're entering the correct digits when you receive the code. This two-step verification process adds security to your account, protecting it from unauthorized access. After you've passed the security check, you'll be logged into your account, ready to navigate through all the features that Nationwide online banking offers. From here, you can handle transactions, check your recent activities, and manage your finances with ease. If you encounter any problems during these steps, Nationwide offers excellent customer support. Whether you need technical assistance or have inquiries about your account, their team is available to help, ensuring your online banking experience is smooth and trouble-free. And there you have it. Logging into your Nationwide online banking account is straightforward when you know the steps. Make sure to always safeguard your login information and stay secure while managing your finances online. I hope this guide helps you navigate your online banking experience with comfort and confidence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.